Hello, welcome to this update for Europe. So we have the remnants of Hurricane Kirk there. So it's now extra tropical. So it's approaching Western Europe there, and we still have that system like in Italy and the Balkans there. So let's see. So this is the GFS. It shows that system continuing there. Still some heavy rain parts of Italy today, into like Austria, Croatia, some heavy rain, into Bosnia. Tomorrow some rain in Hungary, Slovakia, and some areas. And then there's Kirk. He'll pass very close to northern Spain, leave some very intense winds, Spain and Portugal, and then go towards France. So those close isobars might leave some very intense winds in western France as well. So please be careful. The low pressure continues throughout Belgium and Germany, and then it goes north into Sweden there. And before that, there will be that system to Sweden and Finland with more snow there. So here you can see that there's already some snow there today. That system will come like that's Wednesday into Thursday. Shows a lot of heavy snow throughout northern Norway, Sweden. That's mainly Sweden and Finland. So heavy snow throughout Sweden and Finland throughout Wednesday night into like Thursday afternoon. And then that's Kirk. It will come and might leave some more snow in Norway there, even northern Sweden behind it. So be aware. And then we have the next system on Saturday the 12th to enter Spain and Portugal, and might leave some heavy rain and some storms in some areas there. And we might even have a system later, like next Monday, the 14th. So we'll watch for that as well. There's the European model. It shows there some snow already today in Norway, that the heavy rain in Italy still, in the Balkans. The system pulls north into like Sweden, brings some heavier snow there, Sweden and Finland, so be aware there. And more systems later. And there's Kirk, some heavy rain in northern Spain and Portugal and France, and some intense winds there. It goes, but the European model has like the remnants of Kirk passing close to northern Italy there, and leaving more snow in the Alps, kind of the Balkans, and then the other part of the remnants drift towards Sweden and Finland there with some more snow. So all those areas gotta watch. There's the next system on Saturday the 12th, showing a lot of storms in Spain and Portugal. And like that, this is Friday. Alright, some storms on Saturday, showing more stuff. Sunday, some more storms in Spain, and next Monday showing more storms as well. So I don't know what happened here. So let's see here. So let's see step by step. Like first the west here. The important thing is the wind gusts. So the European model has like starting already today some very strong winds northern Spain and Portugal, but tomorrow it has more than like 159 kilometer power gusts. These are just the wind gusts. So shows very strong winds, more than 100 kilometers per hour in most of northern Spain. Portugal shows most of Portugal under intense winds, so please be careful in Portugal there. And let's see, in the Pyrenees, in the French and Spanish Pyrenees, shows a lot of strong winds, more than 100 km per hour gusts. Not all the way to the southern Pyrenees, but mainly in the northern Pyrenees will be more intense. Central France, ahead of the system, already shows some very strong gusts. And this keeps going. This enters France, but the European is a little bit further south. It goes like there, leaves some gusty winds in parts of the Alps, more than like 70 km per hour gusts. And then this keeps going, some strong winds central Italy on Thursday, the 10th, show like some 81 km per hour gusts. It also shows in Poland and Slovakia some stronger winds. And yeah, so be aware there. Let's just mention these warnings here in Spanish. Hola, ¿qué tal? Entonces, hay la borrasca Kirk que va a dejar estos vientos muy fuertes al norte de España. Entonces, hoy ya hay vientos fuertes, pero mañana, miércoles, muestra avisos naranjas muy peligrosos así, por viento muy fuerte. Entonces, estos son los avisos por viento. Muchas zonas de España, principalmente el norte, por lluvias fuertes en Galicia, zonas del oeste, costeros. El mar puede estar muy agitado, con olas grandes y todo, y más costeros en el Mediterráneo también. Y galernas en el norte, extremo norte, así, precauciones. Y a ver, y jueves, aún muestran los avisos costeros jueves en el mar Mediterráneo, sí. Pero hay también este sitio web de Cataluña que muestra mañana miércoles los avisos por viento en los Pirineos, pero la tarde de mañana miércoles muestran unos avisos como rojos así por viento en los Pirineos. Entonces, precauciones. Precaución, vento muito forte no Pirineu e altas zonas assim. Avisos por vento e por estado de mar. Por vento em muitas zonas e avisos extremos ao Pirineu por vento muito forte. Vale, entonces precauciones y es esto. Good, so stay safe there. And for Portugal, let's see. Olá, então tem esse sistema no Atlântico que amanhã, quarta-feira, dia 9, mostra uns ventos muito fortes norte de Portugal, mostra mais de 108 km por hora as rachas de vento. A maioria do norte de Portugal vai ter ventos muito fortes. Precauções. Good, so let's see some other models here, like, where is it? The GFS. So the GFS has this approach in there. It has like some very intense winds, central northern Spain, more than 112 km per hour gusts, and like near northwestern Spain, more than 106 km per hour gusts. But as it goes into France, it doesn't have as intense there, but he has like in the immediate coast of France, like 94, 95 km per hour gusts, and goes into France there, so 98 km per hour gusts, parts of west and central France. As this goes into eastern France, still showing like 99, 100 km per hour gusts, central eastern France. So be careful there in France, and let's see, and this keeps going there, so be careful. Let me just see if I find something here. Let's see if they have something for France. So they have the rainfall risk here, like this was today for that system that's now in Italy there, but let's see if tomorrow they have something. They have the wind there, very strong, and wait here, so like the afternoon, but they still don't have the hazards there, but they have like the forecasts in French here, so if you don't understand English, please check here, like Wednesday. Let's see, so they have the description in French for Wednesday, so read here if you don't understand English. This link and some other links are in the description as well, so check there and stay safe. So now, like the snowfall accumulations for the northernmost countries there, the GFS model shows like in the Alps some snow the next 5 days, like close to 20 centimeters in Switzerland and Italy and parts of Austria, even France. The GFS is still showing snow in the northern UK there, so be aware. And Norway showing a lot, more than 51 centimeters, but northern Sweden there is showing like 70 centimeters, so some heavier snow from these systems there. So be aware, parts of Sweden. The European model shows less, but it does show a lot of snow throughout northern Finland, Norway, and northern Sweden, even to Russia. So be aware of the snow, northern Iceland, and the Alps also showing some snow. It does show a hint in the Pyrenees, but very little, and in the Caucasus a little bit more, Azerbaijan and Turkey and Russia. So be aware in those areas, the snow and everything. And the rain accumulation, this the precipitation shows more for the Baltics, southern Finland, some more rain. And so like northern Spain and Portugal, more than 125 millimeters, so be aware of heavy rain, maybe the risk of flooding. But the European model, that system on like Saturday, is showing like more than 100 to 200 millimeters in southernmost Spain from that system next Saturday. So please be aware there. This is just one model. The GFS doesn't have almost anything there. And the icon show like a different stretch of accumulation. Show like from south to north there. But the icon has also more than 154 millimeters northern Portugal, so be careful there. Now the European has still a lot in Slovenia and northeastern Italy, has a lot in Montenegro still, in Bosnia, in Croatia it has a lot, some areas of Croatia, somewhere in the UK, but nothing crazy. And he has a system there like near Azerbaijan, Georgia, and Russia, a lot of rain, especially southeasternmost Russia there, like close to 58 to 100 millimeters, so be aware there. And this mainly it. Be careful to those areas, the strong winds like happening now too, parts of Italy in those areas, and please stay safe with those winds tomorrow. Maybe some tense winds near the ocean, near Norway and the Faroe Islands and some areas, even like Wednesday to Thursday near Denmark and Germany, some stronger winds, and in Russia there. So be careful. And the temperatures are still like very frigid in the north there, in Finland, Norway, and Sweden. But today, like the night from today to Wednesday, shows -2 in Finland, but from Wednesday to Thursday shows the cold more contained further north, -4 parts of Norway and Sweden, 0 degrees. So be aware. In Iceland, it's very frigid, especially in the mountains, but mainly the whole island is below 0 degrees, except some spots like 3-4 degrees. So be aware. In the northern UK is also showing those almost negative temperatures, 0 degrees like on Wednesday morning, tomorrow morning. But it is like Wednesday night, right? Wednesday morning doesn't show much, but Wednesday night into Thursday, like Thursday morning, show like 0 degrees, -1 in northern UK. Southern UK around 12 to 8 degrees. So be aware. The Alps still cold, but today, like today's Tuesday, from today to Thursday, it's kind of fine. Maybe after Friday the 11th, it gets colder in the Alps, more negative temperatures again. So be aware in those areas. And in terms of heat, there's not much to talk about. Just some higher 20s in parts of southern Spain, and in Italy show like 32 in Sicily, a little bit higher there as well. Southern Italy in the 20s, outside the mountains, and southeastern Greece show like some 20s and low 30s too, and Turkey like during the day, but this changes like every day. So, but at night, so shows chill in many areas, especially in the mountains in Romania. But during the day, might get to like 18 degrees in Hungary, but it soon gets cold. This is Saturday the 12th, showing close to some negative temperatures in Slovakia, and showing those temperatures going to like Ukraine and Romania on Sunday the 13th. So we'll keep watching that as well, and be careful in those areas, especially with the intense winds from this and everything. So Here's the high resolution model, still shows that heavy rain in Italy and the Balkans. It shows that rain starting in Spain and Portugal there, that heavy rain, more rain to France as well, as Kirk comes, shows still heavy in Spain and Portugal. And yeah, it shows the rain goes from France to like Belgium and the Netherlands there. So be aware, some more showers in the UK, like tonight for tomorrow. And be aware in those areas. Just one more model here for like the wind gusts. It shows Kirk coming, more than 100 km per gust there in Spain, like I showed you. There's some very high gusts into France as well, and to Germany, those areas. So be careful in those areas and stay safe. Check the links in the description to see the page with all the warnings in the different languages, and stay safe.